Dear students, welcome to ACE Academy and ACE Online platform. This video brings you the job notification from Visakhapatnam Port Authority. To access the notification, type the URL as visakhport.com and now click on to this others, and under that you will find a dialog box and click on to the careers. So in the next page you will find here the title as notification for the engagement of apprentices under the Apprenticeship Amendment Act, that is 30th of October 2025. Click on to that. So here there is a notification for the engagement of apprentices under the Apprenticeship Amendment Act by the Visakhapatnam Port Authority, and the applications are invited online for the graduate and diploma students who have passed out in the year 2022, 2023, 2024, and the vacancies are offered in the disciplines for mechanical. For the graduate apprenticeship there are 10 vacancies, and for diploma it is 12 vacancies. So as a technician, for the technician the qualification is diploma. For electrical engineering, 8 graduate apprentices and 11 diploma vacancies are given. For LEC, that is 5 vacancies under graduate program and 8 vacancies under the diploma. For computer science, 4 vacancies are there under the graduate apprenticeship. So monthly stipend for the graduate apprentice is 9,000 per month, and for technician apprentice is 8,000 per month. So the relevant qualifications are, that is either engineering or diploma exams passed out in the year 2022, 2023 and 2024, and who have registered with MHRD NATS portal, which is mandatory. And the candidate who have previously undergone apprenticeship or presently undergoing apprenticeship training or presently in the employment anywhere else are not eligible to apply. So minimum qualification is bachelor's degree in engineering and technology for the graduate apprentices, and for technician apprentices the diploma is the qualification, diploma in engineering and technology from the state university. So the age limit will be followed as per apprenticeship rules. So the details about the physical standards is given, and the duration of the training is for 1 year. And mode of engagement, there are the instructions regarding the mode of engagement for apprentices will be purely on the basis of merit and obtained by the candidates in the graduate and diploma respectively. The preference will be given to the children of VPA employees, and the guidelines for the registration process is given. So here go through the guidelines thoroughly to generate the login and password. Yeah, the online application starts on 1st of November 2025 and last date of application is 30th of November 2025. General instructions are given, so kindly go through it. Yeah, interview schedule to the eligible shortlisted candidates will be communicated through candidates' registered mobile number and email address only. So it's a 4-page notification. Kindly read it thoroughly. And for more videos relating to the prospects in higher education and job prospects, hit the subscribe button. Thank you and all the best.